Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm start discussing on my flip art application. Actually, I'm not 2D in this editor. I'm using Blender and I'm a 3D editor. Today, actually, I want to edit a 2D animation, and that's why I start to discussing with flip art. And I'm getting a problem about copy and paste the one things. So I think that is not only me. So I solve it, and now I want to show you how to solve this problem. So actually, at first we should delete this. Okay. Now see, there is a one there. Okay. Actually, this I think it's will be okay. So if you want to copy a layer, you can copy this layer Control C by clicking Control P, but you cannot draw it. So if you want to draw it, so you need it, just click here and so now you can draw hair. So what is the main problem? Let's see again. Control C and V, but you cannot draw hair. Why? Just you know it. Click on hair. So I think it shall be a problem. I'm so sorry. So thank you for watching this